Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, Down with Doug. Today we're doing another project with my 2005 Lexus LS430. Going to be replacing the Serpentine belt. I'm going to be using this Bando belt, 6PK 2240 part number. It's pretty much the same belt as OEM, but a third of the price. A couple tools we're going to need today. Well, not 100% necessary. I'm going to remove the shroud for the radiator. You need a Phillips head screwdriver to back these out. And then the only other tool we should need is a 14 millimeter to take the tension off the belt pulley. Let me get the camera set up in the tripod and I'll be back. Going to try to get the best angle of this. Sorry if you hear any clicking in the background. I have my diesel heater running. We're expecting a major snowstorm tonight, tomorrow, into Monday with highs in the low teens. So it's pretty cold out here today. It's just these two clips that hold this shroud in place. It should come right off. Just doing a little inspection here. Let me get you a close-up of the belt. There is a diagram under the hood of your belt routing. Right here is your tensioner that you need to relieve slack on to get the belt off. I am not sure how many miles are on this belt. I'm the second owner. The timing belt was replaced at 94,000 miles. I can only assume that this belt was replaced at the same time. Serpentine belt is really one of the easiest things you can do on most vehicles. The belt is actually in fairly good condition. The only reason I'm changing it is I started noticing a little noise as it got colder, but that could just be temperature. There's actually no markings on my original belt. Well, to my mind, original belt. Just gonna get some more light in here. And replacement is just fishing and sorting. You're not gonna be able to see this the best on camera because my arm's in the way. Just verifying my routing, which I already got terribly wrong. Really wish my son was here today. His long, skinny arms would make quick work of this. One more hand would make all the difference in this job. Just trying to get it around the alternator pulley. And really, that's all that's to it. Let me get the camera up close, you'll see what we got here. Try to get a better light. There's it going around our power steering pump, alternator, belt tensioner, crank pulley, one of the water pump. Down there, AC compressor, and then just one of the idler pulleys. That is all that is to this job. 10 minutes start to finish. Gonna start it up, just make sure everything's tracking okay, but it's a pretty straightforward and simple job. If any of you have any questions, please drop a comment below. The belt can be bought on Amazon, but I actually ordered mine off Rock Auto. I've heard stories about Amazon selling counterfeit belts. I bought 2 different belts in the past, and even though they were the same belt, they had different labeling on them. So I just went with Rock Auto. They come straight from suppliers. Had a little better luck with them. But any questions, again, feel free, drop a comment below, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, bye.